Okay, next problem, square root of minus 8 minus 6i. So, first of all, we have to compare the given complex number with a plus ib. So, complex number square root find out cheyalante munduga danni a plus ib to compare cheskundam, then we get the real and imaginary parts. Therefore, the real part is minus 8. Without I, it is real part, and with I, it is imaginary part. A is equal to minus 8, B is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now, we have to find the value of modulus of complex number, mod z. Mod z means root of a square plus b square. Okay. Root of a square plus b square. A square means minus 8 whole square, which is equal to 64. B square means minus 6 whole square, 36. So under root 100. 100 means, under root 100 means it is nothing but 10. Okay. So this is modulus of z. Now the formula to find the square root of minus 8 minus 6i. ఈ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ యొక్క స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తానికి ఫార్ములా ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ mod z plus a by 2 minus I into square root of mod z minus a by 2. Okay. సో ఇక్కడ ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ ముందు మైనస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా మైనస్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ఓకే. నౌ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ద వాల్యూస్. సో ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ square root of mod z. Mod z means 10 we get, plus a means minus 8 whole by 2 minus I into square root of mod z means 10 minus a means minus into minus plus 8 whole by 2. Okay. Now this is equal to plus or minus of square root of 10 minus 8 means 2 by 2 minus I into square root of 10 plus 8 means 18 by 2. Okay. So 10 minus 8, 2 by 2, 10 plus 8, 18 by 2. So here 2 1 ja, here 2 9 ja, plus or minus of square root of 1 minus I into square root of 9. And finally, the square root of minus 8 minus 6i is equal to plus or minus of root 1 means it is nothing but 1. Okay. Minus I into root 9 means 3. So finally the square root of minus 8 minus 6i is plus or minus of 1 minus 3i. That is the answer.